I'm Tyrell Valladares. I'm a metalhead. I think metal started off with me when I was in school. We had these mercury thermometers, and there's something that actually attracted me towards the whole chrome and the whole liquid metal feel and look towards it. Of course, then the whole Terminator movies came out, and that was another thing like, oh my god, that's great. It actually blew my mind at that point of time. Yeah, that's how it all started. I actually have no formal background in art and sculpting or anything art related in any form. I think the closest thing that I had to an art education was in school, where it was a part of your syllabus. And I think it just grew from there because art for me, it was like a release. I wanted to create something that I painted into a 3D form. And for me to recreate something like that in a 3D form, the only way I knew how was, making it a solid piece. And metal for me was that solid piece. I actually look at different things differently. It actually comes naturally to me. I don't know what triggered it and how it happened. But if I have something in mind, I tend to work on it immediately. I don't draw things out. It's what I actually can picture in my head in a 3D form. I try to enhance it in my own way. I would ride around the city and find like scrap bikes, scrap cars. But you can source your material from anywhere and everywhere. Yeah, Bangarwalas are my collaborators because they take a lot of trash that you don't use, and we take a lot of trash that they don't mind parting with. So yeah. Everything around me inspires me, be it from the roadside, be it from a garage, the side of a building. You learn from what you do. There were mistakes, there were cuts, there were bruises, there was major injuries, but it's all good. Yeah, it's just a part of your learning process. So there's so many things that you can actually make out of these pieces that are just lying around you. I think what I do does have an impact on the environment because you're taking so much of scrap that's already there and we have an excess of it. From, as I said, your junk that you see on the side of the road, it's other people's trash, but it could be, the material that you were looking for and wanted to source for so long that you actually take this trash and recreate something out of it. So that's the beauty of working with scrap. You can always destroy and recreate. For me, doing the artwork, it's personal. It's me giving back to something that I've always been around. and I want to leave a kind of mark in my own way. That, you know what, this thing was made by me, and he's a guy from Bandra who just lived next to me.